Looking at chapter 5, which focuses on the marketing research fundamentals. When looking at the overview of market research or marketing research, this is all about systematically gathering, analyzing, and interpreting data about markets, either about competitors, or it could also be about the consumers. So it's all about the data behind these different elements. Looking at the research process and the research design, here it's all about defining the problem, developing a research plan to address the problem, also collecting data which will help you to determine what the result of the problem is, as well as analyzing the data which you have collected. So this is kind of following a step by step. So it's always a systematic step by step process. After analyzing your data, you would then have to present the findings, either in a way of academic or within a business or within a conference, wherever there's going to be an audience. It's also about selecting a subset of the population and creating questionnaires or discussion guides. So, depending on the market research technique that you'll be using. So, questionnaires, for example, is all about quantitative research. However, if you use qualitative research, you would then use different techniques such as focus groups or in depth interviews or various types of other techniques for collecting your data. The subset of a population is also called a sample, which then will represent the whole population once the results are extrapolated. Moving on to data analysis and interpretation in marketing research. So here it's all about applying statistical techniques to interpret the collection of the data or interpret the data that has been collected. As you've seen, we focused on the different statistical techniques. These statistics techniques then come alive within this section of marketing research.